Hi. In this video, we're going to continue further talking about abdominal and pelvic vessels. And this model is a soon blown up version of it. And let's start by identifying the two biggest main vessels in this abdominal region, which will be the inferior vena cava and abdominal aorta, or the abdominal descending aorta. We go from the very top right here, we can see the celiac trunk. Remember, the celiac trunk gonna have different branches, but here we can't really see them. However, we can see here that superior to the celiac trunk is going to be the inferior phrenic vessels going to the diaphragm, celiac trunk. Here we have the superior mesenteric artery, pretty much going towards the superior regions of the intestine. Imagine the intestines are right here. The superior mesentery, right here on the sides. These vessels, one red, one in blue, so artery, vein, going towards towards the kidneys. These are gonna be the renal vessels. As we keep going down the aorta, the descending abdominal aorta, you're gonna see two vessels coming out on the sides. You see how they tend to coil, artery and veins. Imagine the gonads were here, so testes or ovaries. So these vessels are gonna be the testicular or ovarian arteries and veins. This one will be the inferior mesenteric artery. And as we go down the abdomen and now enter the pelvis, the aorta is going to split into common iliac artery. Then there's a branch that goes inside, which will be the internal iliac artery. And this one that extends all the way down and finally exits going towards the legs, that's going to be the external iliac artery. Here in the inferior vena cava, this vein going towards the kidneys is going to be the renal vein. As we keep going down, this little branch going out, that's going to be the testicular or ovarian vein going towards the gonads. The inferior vena cava splits into common iliac vein, internal iliac vein, and external iliac vein. So those are some of the vessels that we can see right here in this abdomen model.